Hi guys, I'm Matthew.
I'm Seoyeon.
And we're behind the bar at Tasty. What are we doing today, Seoyeon?
We're making smoothies that we will make at our wellness centers if we were rich enough to have one.
Your accent makes you sound rich enough to have one. She's got her lush London accent.
What an illusion.
What type of smoothies do you usually like to drink?
I usually go for something with banana and maybe I'll throw in like another fruit like blueberries or strawberries.
How much of a banana do you like in your smoothie?
I put a whole banana in it.
Oh, boom.
Oh, my mom told me, I don't know if this is scientifically verified, but the ones with like a little boop is the nicer ones.
The pop?
Yeah, the what do you call it, like a boop?
Oh, the little pop on the top. Ooh, we got a question. Do you have any favorite food memories with the cast?
We had a taco day.
Where was I? Where was Whoosh? What episode was this?
No idea. But I feel like Beef had the best catering
I was gonna say, yeah.
that I've ever seen. There was a vegan guy, a vegan chef who made vegan food. Yeah, he made the best salad, and I don't usually like salads, so.
Really? I was at all the meat corners. I had the chicken, the beef. The beef, oh, was really good.
Yeah, they had good beef.
Yeah, Hollywood catering is just different.
This is pure whey protein. Wait, what's the recommended 2 scoops?
2 scoops is what, 22 grams?
28. Okay, maybe I'll do like 1.5. And then I'll do collagen peptides.
How's it smell?
4 tablespoons is the serving size.
Eating your skincare is a big thing in Korea.
I just know what's bad for you. Like oily food will mess up your skin. Oh, sugar is not good for your skin, I think. Yeah, I just try to pay attention to what's bad for your skin and try not to eat that.
Flaxseed.
Is flaxseeds, flax seeds are good for you. What is that? Oat milk?
Oat milk, is that enough?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, I'm done.
Yeah, nice. That looks like it's gonna be really thick.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a little less thick.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's how you like it. We're at your wellness center.
That's very true. Ding.
Oh, ding dong.
I don't think I've ever made a proper smoothie this luxurious.
Yeah, it looks really, you make it sound luxurious too. Do you have any favorite food spots in LA or Seoul that you'd like to share about? I like In-N-Out boiling crab.
What's your boiling crab order?
Do a whole shebang medium, half-pound the shrimp with some Cajun fries. On a special occasion, I'll get some crab. Crab is nice.
I'll just walk around and just find random taco places, taco stands. I think they've got the best tacos. I haven't been to like a really good taco place in Seoul.
For Seoul, I think Viva Guerrero. It's in Samsung-dong. Yeah.
I'll have to check it out.
Fire, it's really fire. I like to take care of the gut a little bit, so
Nice.
I like to throw in some Greek yogurt.
Probiotics.
You know, boom. 2 scoops, maybe 3.5 or 2.5. And blueberries for antioxidants. Oh, we got a question.
Wish is a guy just trying to move up in the world. Can you remember the first way you ever made money?
Oh yeah, my first paycheck was from my first tour. I've made money before, but the first time I made big money by myself.
Big money.
Yeah.
How big are we talking?
It was like $10,000.
What's that in one?
Oh, it was 1,000,000 won in one.
Oh, that's big money.
So $7,000. Yeah.
That's big money.
I've done like a lot of like little jobs before. I've taught English in Korea. I've done those things where you stand next to an escalator and you pass out flyers. But I think it taught you resilience to emotion. There were some days where like I'd run into cranky people and like I would just think in my head, hey, maybe they're having a day.
A day.
You know? So still smile.
My mum would pay me like pocket money to do chores. That was my first kind of unofficial job. I think it was like acting, but because I started like as a small
role.
Small role. Yeah. So I think that was my first money that I earned with my own hands.
What'd you do with that paycheck?
I don't know, like had coffee and then I had spent it all.
Oh, we got another one.
Oh. I think we all wish we could have a right-hand woman like Eunice. Who is someone you've relied on throughout your career?
My members, I think I've relied on a lot. My mom. None of this would have happened if it wasn't for my mom.
Shout out to mums.
Dude, seriously, mom's intuition with literally everything, you gotta trust it. It's all the moms out there.
I think for me, they always remind me that it's okay to fail. Or like, but failing isn't failing, basically. And it's very reassuring.
I have a part 2 question.
Okay.
How do you do with failure? Like, when you don't get the results you want, are you pretty hard on yourself? I feel like you are, aren't
Yeah,
you?
I cry about it.
Stop. Stop being so hard on yourself.
I cry, but I get over it pretty quickly.
Oh, okay, that's good.
But I do need a nice cry.
And then
I
just
get over it.
Clean slate.
Yeah.
Start over.
Yeah.
Start hustling again.
Yeah.
And then she got on beef. Ooh.
Okay, ready?
Smells really good.
I can't say the same about mine.
Really? I have to drink that.
I know. Whooshy confetti.
That's a good one. I'm gonna call this Say When. And you guys know why if you watch Beef.
I apologize in advance.
No, it's okay. Mine might not be that good either.
Yours is really thick. I don't think I'll pay for that.
Really? This starts good and then does not end good.
I think you put a lot of that in.
Too much
of
yogurt.
the good stuff.
Beef this season touches on aspects of Korean culture such as skincare, cosmetic surgery, etc. in a pretty heavy way. Are there certain aspects of Korean culture that you wish were highlighted more in pop culture? You know, with culture, I feel like you really have to be there and indulge in it to understand all the good and the bad.
Yeah.
Beef 2 has a lot of Korean culture incorporated in the show, and I think there's a lot more to see too, so if you guys get a chance to visit Korea and indulge in the culture, that's great, and if not, you guys should see the indulgence of the culture in Beef 2.
Out now.
Go watch it.